Hey girl, it is me here. Okay, so just one second. um, all right, so I want to make sure that you are. I want to make sure that you are an affiliate first, okay, so that you can grab the link and get the like the referral credits into the CCQ community. So what I went ahead and did is I have the community listed here. If you go to So what you can do is I can actually make you an ambassador to the CCQ community. Typically, someone has to sign up. I think it's the basic annual membership of 333 will give them access to the ambassador program, but anyone who wants to join our community can get the 30-day trial for just $1. And then after that, they can choose, like, yes, this is totally awesome, or they can decide to cancel if they want to. If they decide to keep the membership on, it's only $44 a month. Or if they want, to go all in, they love it, they can get access to the affiliate program for just $335 per year, which would the annual membership actually saves them like $195 or something, which is pretty cool. Okay, so the very first thing that I would recommend doing is going to, let's see here, going to the sarah-michaels.teachable.com. Okay. Because when you go to teachable.com, what you're going to have to do is I want to make sure that you're actually inside of here. So let me see. So when you log in, users. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to have to do is register for the community. I will go ahead and give you the coupon for it. Let me just double check. Okay, Co-Creating Queens community, where's the coupon? Okay, let's see. No, that's not it. Okay, hold on. Let me make a new coupon for you real quick. So I'm going to do a new coupon. So this course only, it's a 44, and I will go ahead and set it for basic annual CCQ. Okay, so applies to, okay, so 1 year free VIP is going to be the name of it. So 1 year free VIP. Okay, so then I will just say coupon for Ashley, 1 year free. Okay, number of coupons available, 100. Okay, so now what you can do is expires in 2 years. Okay, so it'll give you 1 year free to that. Okay, so if at the end of this year, so you have 1 year from when you activate this coupon. So what you'll do is go to, I'll send you here. So Co-Creating Queens. Okay, go to co-creatingqueens.com. When you click on the VIP community, it will take you, it'll reroute in a second. It just takes a little bit. Come on now. Okay. Oh, it's taking forever. All right, so what you can do is go ahead and click on this, okay, and then do enroll. So click on enroll. And then I want you to go ahead and sign up with whatever email address that you actually want to use. But go to add coupon. So the coupon is 1 year free VIP. Yes. Okay. So yes, here it is. So 1 year free VIP, it's giving you 12 months of access to this. And then as soon as I have you signed up in here, I can set you the affiliate status. So you do have to enter your card information, but again, you will not be charged. The only time that you'll be charged is in 1 year from now if you decide to stay on. And it'll like, I think it notifies you before it's going to charge, like, hey, just a reminder, you should see if you're going to continue on with this. So, anyways, okay. So, as soon as you're enrolled, click enroll in course. It's free. And then I can give you the affiliate status. And you'll also get your own link to be able to share so that you can get the referrals. So you get a 33% affiliate rate, which is pretty freaking sweet. Yay. Okay. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. I know sometimes I go pretty fast because I'm a freaking tech queen, and I have to remember that I need to slow down. So if you need explanation or in depth on anything, just let me know. But I'm really excited because I think this is going to be so, so good for network marketing babes and direct sales, just in kind of like training your team, right? Like without actually having to do the training. OMG. Yes. Okay. All right, girl. Well, if you have questions, let me know. See ya.